Welcome back to Tales from the Sentence Crypt. Our next set of zombie sentences fits into the category of iatrogenic errors. Any guesses what that very obscure word means? It means an illness or injury inadvertently caused by a doctor, or in this case, by a teacher. Remember all that advice Mr. Hauser and I have been giving you about using power verbs? We love power verbs, and we're not taking it back, not any of it. But we have decided that we need to add a consumer warning. The wrong power verb can really blow up a sentence. So, here is a zombie sentence lurking in the crypt. What word was this student writer probably going for? And how would you fix this sentence? How about this one? So, you all know the drill. Fire up Moodle and start your next quiz. The sentence you're going to rewrite, and again, maybe split up, has a power verb problem, but it needs work on several levels.